Good day, everybody watching this program. This program is for the teaching of Esan language, essentials of Esan language. This platform is learnesan.org. We have taught so many lessons. This is lesson 14 we are now teaching now. We are going to deal with conjunctions in Esan language. Conjunctions, a conjunction is a word which joins two sentences together. It could be between a phrase and a sentence, or two phrases together. So something like but, and. These are examples of conjunctions. We are going to look at the board to have other examples and know how they are used. As I said earlier on, we are dealing with conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences, e.g., for example, and, but, or. These are words that can join two words together, a phrase, or a sentence all together. So, such words are what we are going to deal with in Esan. In Esan, what we have on the board here, you have ama, like sokma, that is but or provided. But or provided, that's sokma, ama. Why you say but, you can say ama, yes, but if you do not come, I'll be able to do it. Sokma provided, abutokma provide, sokma provide, provided you come. B means and. Akere B odion, akere and odion, akere B odion. This B is equivalent. Okwese before. Okwese means before. Okwese in Esan, before in English. La in English or. Eba is the word like eba. Are you going to eat rice or eba? Ramde because. Ramde because. Ramdu well because of you. Ramude because of you. Or have Ramdole Makilwale. If he comes because of him, we will do it. So the word because and Ramde are the same. So let's look at the next one. Now the next one is Sade. Sade in Esan, in English if. Sade or Vae, if he comes. Then the next one is Sazebu. We will eat later on. Ma le buy Sazebu. My heart will buy Sazebu. We will eat later on. Sazebu means later on. Every, when, every married body, when are we coming? Beji, ask, so that, Beji, ask, so that, Beja so that means Beji in Esan. Beji man damien arejo, so that we can go on time. Akamien in Esan, if or in case, you have it in English. Akamien is in Esan, if or in case in English. Akamien or vae, makoyo. If he comes, we will go together. Then aremien is in Esan, even though in English. Aremien means even though in English. Even though means aremien or aremien, even though. Then in Esan again, abutokpan means provided that. Abutokpan provided that. Abutokpan uleba, provided you eat. Abutokpan uleba, provided you eat. So let's look at some sentences to be able to know how they are being used in a simple form. Now, sentence number 1. Esan, Ojon bi ahere badi. Ojon bi ahere badi. In English, Ojon and ahere are coming. Ojon and ahere are coming. Ojon bi ahere badi. So let's look at sentence number 2. Sentence number 2. Akpa konfo okwese aleba. We washed it first before we eat. We washed it first before we eat. In other words, this would have been we brushed it before we eat. What is important here is the before. Akpa konfo okwese aleba. Okwese means before. Now, the next one, Esan. Enya weale la ekala. Enya weale la ekala, which means in English, is it yam you will eat or akara? Is it yam you will eat or akara? La and a are the same. They are conjunctions. Joining two words together to make sense. Then number 4. Ukpon me soloa. Ukpon me solo aramde obogole. Ukpon me solo aramde obogole. Ramde means my cloth is torn because it is weak. Because ramde and because they are the same. Ukpon, my cloth is torn because it is weak. Then the other one, 5. Ojon B. Sorry, this is number 5. Esan. Ojon hi yo. Ojon hi isiku sade owa migo. Ojon hi isikulu sade owa migo. Ojon will not go to school if he does not have money. Ojon hi isiku sade owa migo. Ojon will not go to school if he does not have money. What we are concerned here is sade. Sade is equivalent of if. In Esan is if. In Esan is sade. In English is if. Here, sentence number 4, Ramude is in Esan because it's in English. This sentence number 3, O is English, La is in Esan. Then sentence number 2, Okwese is in Esan, before is in English. So, when you watch over and over again, you should be able to know what is conjunctions in Esan language as compared to English, so that you will use it in that form. And for you to be able to do that, get our Esan. Now, the assignment I'm giving you here is for you to go back, read it thoroughly, and have examples of conjunctions and how they are used. Get a sentence or phrases together, use the word conjunction to link them together. Because word conjunction is a word that joins two words, two sentences, or phrases together. If you do that, you have a good grasp of it. For you to be very thorough, read again, listen to this one, this teaching again, go back to Esan grammar, read it thoroughly so that you will be able to answer some of these questions. And if you have problem, contact phone number 08023365383. And for you to purchase your own copy, also contact this same number. You'll be given the price and the account to pay into. And wherever you are, it will be shipped to you either in hard copy or in soft copy. Thank you very much.